Hello, good day. Today we'll be talking about technical analysis for stock price focus. So basically, what is a technical analysis? It's simply using graphs, charts, price actions, to predict the next price movement for stocks, shares, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments. Okay, but for the purpose of this class, we'll be talking about using technical analysis to analyze price movements and to forecast price movements of Nigerian stocks. So let's get started. Go to tradingview.com. Yeah, I'm on tradingview.com. So when you get there, you just search for stocks, country, Nigeria, okay, and then these are Nigerian stocks. So you can use this search symbol. I'm going to select specific stocks that I will use for this practical class. Okay, so just stay with me. The first stock I want to select is AIICO Insurance Plc, right? So it's coming up. So this is AIICO Insurance Plc. When you get to Trading View here, you can select the indicators you want. We have average day range, and of course, this is the volume right here, the volume of buy and sell. Okay, so you can look at 5-day trading period, you can look at 1 month, you can look at 3 months, 6 months, or year to date. Okay, I think it's always advisable, if you ask me, to do the year to date so that you get a full grasp. Okay, but if you are just starting, maybe if you are in March, right, you can just do 6 months because the year has not gone far. But now that we are in August, you can do year to date. It makes more sense. So when you look at AIICO, you can see that the price was down here around 3.18. Currently, it's trading at 4.24 or 4.28. That's what it's trading currently. Now, what are the indicators saying? Is either it goes up or it goes down. Okay, but if you look at this bottom here, relative strength index is showing that it's going down. Okay, if you look at what is happening here, it shows that the next place it might go will be likely down. So many people don't bother to check the direction of stocks. So when they just see that, okay, this stock is doing very, very well, they just go and say, let me buy because this is the season. But they really will not take their time to check whether it will go up or it will go down. So this is just technical analysis. I will not advise anyone to make a decision based on wholly technical analysis. I will also advise you do fundamental analysis. I will advise you do that's stock valuation. Okay, and also check other indicators, qualitative factors, market sentiment, news. Okay, these are the combination of everything. That is what I will advise anyone to consider, before investing in stocks. You get, because money is a serious matter. Of course, we all know it's not really that easy to get money. So when you have it, it is better you don't even trade than for you to trade and lose your money. So at every point in time, what I will advise is, before you invest in stocks, do research on recent information concerning that stocks, do proper valuation, and of course include technical analysis. So but for this class, I'm going to be talking about only technical analysis. So when you look at this current price, you can see that it may not really be a wise idea. If you look at what is happening in this AIICO, right? See, it has done 3.42, 3.18, 3.49, 3.83, 4, 4.2, 4.28. It has been going up, right? So ordinarily, people will tell you that, oh, this is the stock that is hot now. Let me just go and invest in it. And without taking their time to know how far it will likely go when it will start dropping. So that is why you are listening, you are watching this video, you are listening to what I'm saying. You don't just invest based on market sentiment. You don't just invest because the stock is hot. That is not the best time if you ask me. Okay. So based on what I've seen here now, I will not advise you to invest in this particular stock at this time. Of course, it is my own opinion, okay, but based on what we are seeing here, if I were to go with only technical analysis, assuming that market sentiment will favor this stock, assuming that the fundamentals are okay, if it is just the technical analysis indicator that is left, I will advise that you avoid this particular stock for now, because even if it goes high, it may not really go significantly high. It has touched this height of 4 points, that's around 4.5, right? And now is coming down. So you can see the volume. So there was so much buy here, right? That is why it went to this peak. Now it was sold. You can see pink here. It was sold, bought, sold, and sold. Now it's already showing signs of it being sold. So there's probability that in the next trading day, more of the stock will be sold. Okay. So that is for AIICO. And of course, I'm going to do several classes on this technical analysis indicator. So for now, uh, I'm going to do several videos. I'll do like 5 examples, okay, and then I'll do like 5 examples for this technical analysis, and then we'll go into valuation. I believe you learned something. Please do well to subscribe for this video. Thank you.